Elon Musk has unveiled his unique portable toilet from Tesla. And no, this is not a joke. Yes, you heard that right. While the world is busy discussing his cube homes, gigafactories, rockets, and Twitter, Elon Musk has decided to show off something completely unexpected: his personal electric toilet, designed in true Tesla spirit. And surprisingly, it might just become the company's next mega product. According to Musk himself, the idea came during his nomadic phase, when he was living with the bare minimum, in a compact modular home, constantly moving between Tesla, SpaceX, and now Twitter offices. Traditional toilets didn't cut it. Too boring. So Musk figured, if you have electric cars, solar panels, and rockets, why not build the toilet of the future? The new toilet looks like a cross between a designer seat from the Model 3 and a Starlink capsule. Most importantly, it is fully electric, powered by Tesla Powerwall batteries, processes waste with zero odor, and even includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It is autonomous, portable, and perfectly suited for camping or living in a cube home. In a short video shared in a private Twitter employee chat, Musk joked, "Sometimes the most brilliant thoughts come here, so why not make the process efficient?" Leaks suggest the toilet even includes a screen with inspiration modes like SpaceX meditation, Hyperloop silence, and AI focus. According to internal Tesla sources, discussions are underway about launching a limited edition Tesla throne for campers, off-grid lifestyle fans, and those who just want to say, "Yes, my toilet is from Elon Musk." The price won't be cheap, around $6,900, but considering how fast things like the Boring Company flamethrower sold out, the Tesla toilet could easily become the next viral hit. As always with Musk, it is hard to tell whether this is a joke or a serious piece of tech. But as the history of the Cybertruck, SpaceX suits, and the Not a Flamethrower shows, if Elon starts joking about something, give it 6 months and it's in stores. Let us know in the comments. Would you want Elon Musk's Tesla toilet in your life? And for those who do not want to wait for Elon Musk's offering, there is already a solution available today. Nature Hike, one of the world's leading companies in the field of outdoor and camping gear, has introduced a unique autonomous tent that combines a shower zone, a toilet, a changing area, and a storage section, all in one compact structure. Here is how it works. The tent unfolds and sets up by itself in just a couple of minutes. This is convenient, even if you are alone. Dry and wet zones are separated thanks to a dual-chamber system, so you can comfortably take a shower without soaking the toilet or your clothes. The tent includes built-in hooks and shelves for shower essentials, toilet paper, towels, and lanterns. The bottom of the tent features a drainage system that allows water to naturally flow out without creating mud. These kinds of tents are perfect for auto camping, family nature trips, or long road journeys in a Tesla, Rivian, or any other electric vehicle. Here's another interesting solution for camping enthusiasts: a full-featured mobile sanitation unit in the form of a camping tent designed for showering, using the toilet, and changing clothes. This tent sets up in just a couple of minutes thanks to automatic aluminum poles. Its spacious design provides plenty of room inside, while the waterproof fabric protects against rain and ensures privacy. Ventilation windows allow for airflow, and the thick walls guarantee solitude even in the most open locations. Complementing the setup is the Inventions portable shower, one of the most popular solutions for mobile hygiene. All you need to do is place the pump into any bucket of water. A powerful built-in pump delivers a steady stream of water, comfortable for washing your hair, body, pets, or even small children. The device runs on a built-in battery rated at 2,200 mAh, which lasts for about 1 hour of continuous use. Charging is done via USB, from a laptop, power bank, car, or regular wall outlet. The entire system weighs less than 1 kilogram, fits easily in a backpack or trunk, requires no installation, and is perfect for camping, fishing, road trips, or even use at a summer house. Italian engineers have unveiled a next-generation modular transportation system called Next. This is an innovative electric transport solution composed of autonomous capsules that can connect with each other while in motion. This flexible system allows the formation of road trains made up of multiple modules, adapting to the number of passengers and current traffic conditions. According to the developers, this real-time transformation capability could reduce urban traffic congestion by up to 80% and cut operational costs by 60%. Each capsule can operate independently or join together to form a larger convoy. The NX-23 passenger module, model year 2025, offers 9 seats and standing space for 7 people, with a maximum capacity of up to 21 passengers. Compared to the previous version, it features a larger 88 kilowatt-hour battery instead of 47 kilowatt-hours and supports up to 80 kilowatts of charging power. Presenting one of the most advanced off-road campers to date, the Bruder EXP8, developed by the Australian company Bruder Expedition. This flagship trailer is designed specifically for those who want to explore the harshest terrains without sacrificing comfort or modern technology. Thanks to its patented suspension system with a travel range of 30.5 centimeters and 37-inch off-road tires, the EXP8 effortlessly handles all types of rugged terrain. The camper's body is constructed from lightweight yet ultra-durable composite materials with full insulation, making it suitable for operation in temperatures ranging from -20 to +50 degrees Celsius. For off-grid living, the EXP8 is equipped with a powerful solar array generating 1,680 watts and a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 20 kilowatt-hours. Inside, the space is both spacious and ergonomic, featuring a full kitchen, a double bed, a lounge area, a bathroom, and plenty of storage. All systems are controlled via a digital panel or a mobile application. Here is a rather intriguing innovation from Swedish engineers, the Dometic Hub, a versatile inflatable shelter designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and travelers who value quick setup and reliable weather protection. The standout feature of the Dometic Hub is its single-point inflation technology. The entire frame inflates from a single valve, allowing it to be fully set up in just a few minutes. The structure weighs approximately 13 kilograms, making it lightweight and easy to transport. The shelter is made from WeatherShield Pro, a durable, waterproof fabric built to withstand harsh climates. Every detail of the design has been carefully considered. The modular system allows you to connect extra sections, canopies, or sidewalls, and you can use the hub either as a standalone shelter or as an extension to your vehicle. The company Sunmez Outdoor has unveiled a next-level inflatable tent, the Sunmez Air Bungalow. This is a spacious all-season shelter designed to comfortably accommodate up to 10 people, making it ideal for camping, outdoor recreation, or even temporary housing. With an interior area of 13.5 square meters and a ceiling height of 3.5 meters, it offers enough room to move around freely without feeling confined. The tent is made of durable, waterproof polyester with an acrylic coating that protects against ultraviolet rays and can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -40 to +70 degrees Celsius. The frame is built from inflatable boat PVC columns with a diameter of 15 centimeters, providing stability even in winds up to 80 kilometers per hour. Setup takes no more than 10 minutes thanks to a well-designed inflation system. The Sunmez Air Bungalow is equipped with 2 entrances, 8 windows with mosquito nets, and panoramic panels to ensure good ventilation and natural light. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.